Here we have the 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG S63. And this one comes in diamond white metallic on silk beige with Espresso Brown Nappa Leather. And the powertrain consists of a 4-liter bi-turbo V8, made it to a 9-speed automatic. And it's putting out 603 horsepower, 664 pound-foot of torque. And that is gorgeous there. You've got LED headlamps, daytime running lights. And there you have your 20-inch forged aluminum wheels. You have passive keyless entry on all 4 doors. You have the upgraded Burmester sound system. Heated, cool leather seats. Of course, it's very adjustable, including the headrest. Then you also have your power door locks, power windows, power mirrors that also fold. And over here, you have controls for things like your lane keep, your parking sensors, heads-up display. And then you have an electronic parking brake and your headlamp controls there. And as you can see, ambient lighting, which is actually throughout the vehicle. We'll get back to that beautiful steering wheel here in a minute. And look at this legroom. Ooh. Yeah, that's nice. Plenty of it. And there's a view of the front there. And down here you have your AC vents. You have 2 cup holders. Then you also have a little cubby in here. And then you have the AC vent over there, one over there, and then check this out. If you so choose, you have a vanity mirror. And then you can control the rear shade, either side shade, and then even the shade for the sunroof. So really cool. And down here, you have a nice little hidden power outlet. And then, I'm gonna go in here. Looks like there's nothing there, but little storage compartment in there for you. So just a lot of neat features. There's a nice glance of the rear there, your quad pipe exhaust. There, your floor mats in there. And of course, pretty good trunk space. And there's your passenger seat. And there are your controls for that as well. You also have memory seating, heated and cooled, all that. And let's take a look at what's under the hood. There's that big beast 4-liter twin turbo engine. And of course you have plenty of functions within your infotainment system. There's your navigation screen, your backup camera with 360 view, your front camera, you have AM, FM, as well as XM radio, and you also have Bluetooth audio. And you've got massaging chairs for the front as well, and you have several different ways to massage yourself if you so please. Just awesome, awesome stuff. And then there are your vents, and you also have your push button start here. You have dual zone automatic climate controls. And then you can control your drive modes here, and then your suspension and your exhaust over here too. But there you have a wireless charging pad, 2 USB ports, an SD card reader, and plenty of storage down in there as well. Here's another quick look at that sunroof there. And then let's look at the rear seat. And there's your glove compartment. And then over here on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise controls, and then your gauge cluster controls here. And over here, you have controls for the driver center over here. And then you also have your volume controls, and these are your Bluetooth controls. And there's your key fob. So next it's time to go ahead and take this out on the road for a test drive. Thing is ridiculously quick. Gosh. Oh, that was fun. That was really fun. Wow. And that exhaust just sounds so amazing. Just, oh, so fast. It's crazy. And it rides really smoothly. Like I said, even in Sport Plus mode, it's just a really great ride. So I'm just curious if I dial it back to comfort. Yeah, this comfort mode, ooh, yeah, it's really nice. And the seat still feels just as good in sport mode, but just the overall driving experience, the way the steering wheel feels, everything is just, in comfort mode, it just drives normally. Just a great, great car. It feels wonderful. And just really quiet in here. I mean, that's to be expected, but the ride is just, it's so quiet in here unless you gas it. And then it just, you get the AMG experience. But no shudders, no clunking, anything from this transmission. This transmission is fantastic. And even the lane keep assist is luxurious. When I start going over the line, it kind of pings me back in and it just slightly vibrates the steering wheel. It doesn't even jerk it, it just literally vibrates the steering wheel. And what makes the S63 sedan so great is you've got a very spacious vehicle that could, I'm sure, could be used to chauffeur someone around, but it's a driver's car. It really is. Just so much fun to drive. And you know you look good in it too, but just the overall, I mean, 603 horsepower, over 660 pound-foot of torque. And so far the paddles have been really responsive. I haven't really said much about them because I haven't really got a chance to put them to good use. It's 4:30, so I'm in the middle of rush hour traffic, but I mean, everything about this just screams Mercedes quality. It really does. Yeah, this has been such a blast to drive this car. and really just to learn about it, because there's so much that goes into an S63 AMG. So many features, so many ways you can drive it. It's just been a great experience. But that's gonna bring me to an end of the 2020 Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG review.